Next is students role of advertising. Role, or we can say the importance of advertising. So we will understand this by taking 3 points: importance to manufacturer, importance to society, and importance to customer. So first we discuss the role of advertisement in for manufacturer, or the importance of advertising in manufacture. So first is, it increase the customer confidence and enhance their satisfaction. When through advertisement each and every detail of the product is given, okay, at that time the consumer can get full information about the product, okay. And in this way, this way leads to increase the customers information also and enhance their satisfaction. Next is students, increase the demand of existing product. Why the seller use advertisement? Because to increase the demand, to attract customers. So advertisement leads to, so it is important for the manufacturer, as the product of the manufacturer, the demand of the manufacturer product is increased by using the advertisement. Helpful in facing competition. So advertisement is also one a method, or we can say that one a tool to face competition, because there are number of competitors in the market. They use advertisement as a mean to present their product in front of customer. With the help of advertisement, a manufacturer can spread information about its product, okay. So this information is also distributed to the distant places, okay, where the seller do not go personally. Next is, advertising is helpful in creating brand preference, okay. So number of brands are there in the market, okay. So while by using the advertising as mean, number of brands are introduced toward customers, so this increase the brand preference. Importance to society. Students, advertisement is also helpful for the society. First of all, it helpful in generating more employment opportunity. So in advertisement companies, number of people are working, okay. So whenever their advertisement company or organization is opened, okay, at that time they provide employment opportunities. So number of jobs in the advertisement companies are like screen printers, block markers, script writers, painters, okay, artists, okay. Next is helpful in improving the standard of living. So by providing information regarding new product, as people use these new product, latest product, so this lead to increase their standard of living. Helpful in survival of communication media. So number of communication media are there: magazines, TV, radio, okay, newspapers. So their main source of income, like for TV, magazines, radio, their major source of income is advertisement. Seller paid them and they publish their advertisement. Helpful in creating healthy competition. When a company get its product advertised, it seeks to improve its quality and lower its price. So it is their an endeavor to improve their own product rather than finding fault with the product of their rivals. So it create healthy competition, because they only publish their, they only tell, they only publish their product, not not find the deficiency in the other's product, okay. They only give priority their product to their product. So this create healthy competition. Helpful in economic development of the country. So number of things are, number of benefits of the advertisement towards society. So through this medium, satellite, domestic advertising messages can be transmitted to the rest of the world also. As a result, export potential of the country increase and get big boost. Foreign exchange capacity of the country increases and new industries develop. So all this leads to economic development of the country. Importance to customer. So importance to customer, first of all, reduction in price. As students, advertising, what is the main of motive of advertising is to improve the sale or to increase the demand. When demand is increased, production, cost of production reduces, and this leads to fall in the price of a good, of a services. and this benefit is derived to customer. Knowledge about various product. By mean of advertising, customer has large variety of goods to choose from. Okay, he pick up the best from among of them. So number of product are there related to different same product related to different sellers, so there are wide choice in the hand of customers. No fear of exploitation. So advertisement provide each and every information about the product or educate the customer, so so seller cannot exploit the customer. Improved quality of the product. When a producer or seller advertises his product, his objective is to win the confidence of the customer. It is absolutely essential to the improved quality of the product if the confidence of the customer is to be won. So the main thing which is taken into consideration by the producer is to improve the quality. When quality is best, customer is automatically attract toward that product. So to conclude that it play important role for the betterment of manufacturer. It play means advertisement play important role for the betterment of manufacturer, society and customer. Next is limitation, students. Limitation of advertising. Less forceful. So advertisement happens to be less forceful because of impersonal contact. Okay, and number of advertisement, if they are play again and again, so it pay less attention. Okay, so the customer is not obliged and not any obligation that he must watch, he must pay attention to a particular advertisement. Okay, so the advertisement is less forceful. Next is lack of feedback. There is a no immediate feedback from the customers because it is impersonal. Therefore it is difficult to find out the effectiveness of the advertisement. Inflexibility. Okay, subject matter of the advertisement is pre-planned, predetermined. So during the advertisement a need to change is felt, it is simply not possible. So no change in advertisement, it is inflexible. But in personal selling, what the seller or salesman do, when he talk with the customer, he get to know about all the priority, all the preferences, and he make changes at that time. But in advertisement it is not feasible. Low effectiveness. Repeated advertisement has turned out to be less effective. As I said that if the one advertisement is repeatedly repeat again and again, okay, at that time it become less effective. They do not pay any special attention of it. So these are the limitations, students.